Have you ever wondered why some stores are closed on Sundays, or why you can't buy certain items on a specific day of the week? These curious rules, often relics of a bygone era, can feel a bit like stepping into a time machine. They raise questions about personal freedom and the role of government. You might even find yourself asking if such laws still hold up in our modern world. Yes, in most cases, Sunday blue laws are constitutional. The Supreme Court has, in fact, affirmed their constitutionality, acknowledging their historical roots while finding a secular justification for their continued existence. So, while they might seem quirky, they generally pass legal muster. The primary reason these laws are considered constitutional stems from a landmark Supreme Court decision in the 1960s. While blue laws originated from religious traditions, particularly the observance of Sunday as a day of rest, the court ruled that their modern-day purpose had evolved. They were reframed not as religious mandates, but as measures promoting the secular goals of health, safety, recreation, and community well-being. By giving people a common day of rest, these laws were seen to benefit society as a whole, rather than endorsing a specific religion. This distinction between religious origin and secular effect is key. Understanding whether a blue law affects you means looking at your specific location. These laws vary widely by state, county, and even municipality. What is prohibited in one town might be perfectly acceptable in the next. To find out, your best bet is to check your local government's official websites or consult with a local legal expert if you have specific concerns. Laws can change, so always ensure you are looking at the most current ordinances. Interestingly, the legal term for these laws, blue laws, likely comes from a colonial Connecticut code printed on blue paper. While the term is old, the concept of a common day of rest still influences many legal systems. The Supreme Court case, McGowan v. Maryland, was instrumental in establishing the secular justification for these laws, setting a precedent that still stands today. This means that while the original intent may have been religious, the current legal standing relies on the idea of a shared day off for everyone, regardless of their beliefs. So, while they might seem like odd remnants of the past, Sunday blue laws endure because they have been reinterpreted to serve a secular purpose within our legal framework. Knowing this helps you understand why some local rules might still exist and encourages you to be aware of the specific regulations in your area. It is a reminder that even the most peculiar laws often have a fascinating journey through time and the courts.